Hello everyone, mga batchmates, kumusta kayo? This is just a very short clip na isisingit ko, parang commercial lang. Well, sana mas merry ang Pasko nyo kaysa sa Chris natin nung nasa high school pa tayo. I am wishing everyone season full of good food, good vibes, and zero stress. And also, birthday greetings nga pala do sa mga celebrants ng October, November, and December last quarter of the year. Unfortunately, hindi nasama yung pangalan ko maski na October 2 ang birthday ko, sabi ng nanay ko. Chinek ko once I see the list, once I saw the list, and then wala raw ako. But anyway, alam ko kung sinong gumawa niyan at you know who you are too. Mag-uusap tayo. Joke lang yon. Anyway, and just the most important thing that I would like to say is on behalf of the Southern California batchmates, I would like to give a huge thanks to the set of officers and organizing committee who made this event possible. Ang gagaling ninyo. Thank you very much for pagod, oras, and the effort that you put in to make this event possible, this Christmas party possible. Alam naman natin na hindi biro ang magkasikaso ng venue, pagkain, programs, budget, lalo na yan. At lalo na magiging kalat ng mga pasaway na batchmates natin. Tumulong na lang kayo na ibulsa nyo yung mga basura nyo. So, walang masyadong hirap ang mga senior citizens nating batchmates. Yun lang. Pero they have a lot of patience in doing this cleanup with smiles on their faces. And because of the hard work and dedication and teamwork, magkakaroon tayo ng masaya, magulo, tawanan, at memorable na celebration which can be remembered in years to come. And by the way, a big thanks to Mercy Hinayon for updating me on what's going on, if there's some important messages or event or things that I need to know as a VP. Dahil hindi ako masyadong nag-online or nagso-social media. Salamat. And saludo kami sa inyong lahat. And thank you for keeping the spirit of Bat 71 intact, alive. Mahalaga yan. And it's going to be remembered on years to come, not only tomorrow, Wednesday. And finally, let's celebrate love and pretend na hindi tayo pagod sa buhay, kahit na saglit lang, full of stress kung meron. Pagkasyahin ninyo yung 500 pesos na Noche Buena, kayang-kaya nyo yan. And may your Christmas be full of love, laughter, food, and zero drama. Importante. Okay. We will have our own Christmas party on December 13th dito sa clubhouse namin for Southern California. We have a special visitor in person of Alex Arellano, and also the presence of Rod Yamat and the wife, Eta. So you're all welcome here, and we'll take videos and photos too and show it to everybody. Other than that, cheers to everybody. Cheers. Cheers. Okay, bye-bye.